What's up? Today I'm gonna be doing rice my way. So you get this rice over here, and you get the normal type of rice also, but this is convenient for me. I'll just put it in microwave and it's done. No soaking, nothing. And every time it is consistent. And yeah, that's about it. Covered. Because stoves can be messy, but microwave is little less messy. So I'll just you know I'll just soak them in water. Okay, make sure this rice bag is below the water level. There are small holes in the rice bag, so it is not completely over like airtight, so it will go in. And if people are talking about washing the rice, so I hope the rice is washed, because for the last 3 months I've been eating this rice and I'm still living and breathing. That is one point. And yeah, it is supposed to be cooked in a bag, so I don't have much fear. By the way, insurance है. Oh, wait. Okay, I'll just keep a little bit of portion open. And now the settings, what I have is cook time 11:30 start. That's it. Then the next things we're gonna see, like when the timer expires and how it comes out and the procedures I follow to make it fluffy. Thank you. Put a timer for 10 minutes where 5 minutes are left, because you cannot keep the bowl in hot water for a long time, otherwise the rice will be mushy and will be totally tasteless, and it has happened to me quite a number of times. So that is why it's very important to keep the timing in mind. Yeah, 4-5 minutes here and there is allowed, but not more than 5 minutes. Be very careful about that. Back after the timer has expired. Now let's see. First I'll be separating this one, then I'll be taking this one out. First let me drain it. Okay, I have to press it a little bit to get that excess water out. Okay. Now I need to do one thing. So this is the rice from yesterday. I will be using it in one of my preparation, but for this one damn it, गिर क्यों रहा है यार. Oh, it's so hot, it's so hot. So the instruction was do it with a fork, and clearly I have not used a fork. This is not good. What I will do is get a fork, just puncture it. Okay? Oh. Yeah. I don't know why I'm becoming so clumsy today. This is my rice, and now you might see a little bit of water is left on the rice. The thing is, from this point onwards, I have to inculcate as much air as possible into the rice. Wait. Yeah. So I'm just filling the rice with air so that it dries out. What the hell is this? Some due to the heat, it will dry out eventually. Just a little bit of agitation is required. Just let it dry out for some time. Okay, I think we are done with the rice. Now, after cooling it for some time, I'll just close it and I can use it tomorrow or day after, whatever I like. Yeah, that's it for the rice video. Thank you.